Disclaimers: I'm not a professional financial advisor. There are probable risks and probable gains by doing stock trading and investment in stock market. Please do your own diligence. You are responsible to your self-action. You may hear words and see actions against general views and not recommended for general viewers. Parental guidance are advised. Hi, welcome to my channel. Enjoy watching. Feel free, feel comfortable, feel at home. Our discussion for today: how to avail video securities. How to open an account video online banking. And I will show you, in addition, what are the requirements of both account in order to have. And lastly, most of all, you must have NOCD form. You will fill it via manual, scan it, print it, and sign it personally and send it via email. Greetings! Thanks to my new subscribers. Write your name in the comment section so that I can greet you all. Hi! Kung ikaw ay interesado na mag-invest, mag-trade ng stock sa Philippine stock market, panoorin mo ang video na ito ng buo para malaman mo ang lahat. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa video online banking. Sa pag-set up ng video online banking, you have to go to any branch of BDO personally so that you can acquire a bank account personally. Sign it with the form manually in front of the teller, and then submit some requirements like 2 pieces ID, especially passport and driver's license, and some birth certificate to prove your identity that you are a Filipino citizen. When you go to BDO branch bank, you have to choose what kind of account do you want to use in order for you to be well informed. For me, I choose Kabayan bank account because I am a OFW. In you, I don't know what you are choosing. Maybe a savings account is enough for you. Maaari niyong i-post ang video upang inyong mabasa ang nilalaman ng video ito sa window na yan. You must to agree to that agreement in that windows so that the process will continue. I intended not to fill up all of the requirements in this windows because I have already an account with BDO Online Securities platform and online BDO account. And also, I have only used this video just for illustration so that you can know what you will do. When you done all of that things happen by opening an account personally, you can immediately request for online banking account through your PC, through your laptop, through your cell phone. And all I want you to know that one of the requirements is a registered email account and also a registered cell phone number or a phone number so that the BDO can message you anytime so that they can touch in with you with the good communication process. Just a reminder for all of you, 2 to 3 days process is needed to complete the process. And then you can go to the ATM machine to confirm your identity, your bank account online, if it is already open and approved. The BDO will surely email you if it is already approved. Upon approved, you will activate your online banking through your phone, through your laptop, and by all means that you want. Upon receiving the email from BDO, the email contains the secret code to the process that you will use in the ATM machine to confirm your process in opening an online banking account. Upon completing all the process by opening an account of online banking BDO, you can sign in via your phone, laptop, or PC by all your means. By that time, you can easily open an account for BDO Securities account. BDO Securities ang gamit ko na broker dahil madali itong gamitin at mabilis maunawaan. At isa pa, pinaka-the best ay libre ang pag-transfer ng pera simula sa BDO account online banking papunta sa BDO Securities para ka lang naglipat ng pera sa bulsa. Na ang bulsa ay nasa kabilang panig sa kaliwa at ililipat ito sa kanan. Ganon ang BDO, libre. Maaari niyong i-post ang video upang inyong mabasa ang nilalaman ng video ito sa window na yan. Paalala lang sa lahat, ang BDO ay humihingi ng bayad o komisyon sa bawat pagbenta at pagbili ng stocks. Doon nagbabase ng ikakaltas na tax at pagkakaroon rin ng fee para sa kaukulang bayad sa pagbili ng stocks. Kung anumang stocks ang iyong binibili o ibinenta. At isa pa, kung gusto mo mag-trade, kailangan mong i-disclose ang iyong income sa BDO Securities. At i-disclose mo rin kung ano ang iyong trabaho. Kung ikaw ba ay nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno o OFW o anumang klaseng negosyo meron ka. Ito ay kailangan upang maiwasan ang money laundering, upang hindi ka ma-violate ng money laundering. Aking ilalagay ang mga link sa description upang inyong magamit, upang tulong na rin sa inyong lahat. Nung ako ay nag-fill up ng form ng BDO Securities, ang inilagay ko ay balance upang ma-manage ko ang risk and reward ratio ng maayos. Aking naalala nung ako ay gumagawa ng trading na ay may dumating na email sa akin na nagre-require ng NOCD. Ang ginawa ko, dinownload ko ang NOCD. Pinilapan ito manually sa papel. Pinirint ko ang dinownload ko. At pagkatapos, nag-scan ako at in-email ko pabalik kay BDO ang NOCD. At pagkalipas ng ilang mga araw, aprobado na agad ito. Ano nga ba ang NOCD? Ano ito at para saan ito? Ang NOCD ay requirement para makabili ka ng stocks na requirements kagaya ng REITs, kagaya ni Ayala Land REITs, ng RCR REITs, DDMPR REITs, V-REITs, FILRT, at marami pang iba na nasa stock market ng Pilipinas. Ngayon, bago tayo magtapos, ibibigay ko ang kasagutan noong nakaraang video sa aking binigay na chess pattern. In this position, I sacrifice my knight to destroy his king's safety and to have a mating attack against his king. Hi, share your thoughts. Comment down below about your thinking on this topic, on my content. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.